1st is set to change how quickly evictions move through the courts. Supporters say it'll help property owners deal with squatters and cut down on long delays. Advocates warn it could strip tenants of important protections and push more people into homelessness. Daniel Peralt breaks down what the law does and why it's causing concern.
A new Texas law looks to speed up the eviction process in Texas.
You can't squat on something you don't own, and you have to be able to get thrown out quickly.
State Senator Paul Betancourt, who authored the bill, says property owners have been struggling with lengthy delays in eviction proceedings.
There's effectively a rocket docket set up for JP court that they have to respond within 21 days or it goes to the district courts.
Housing advocates worry the law weakens tenants' rights. Shoshana Krieger from local tenants' right group Building and Strengthening Tenant Action says she worries it will lead to legitimate tenants behind their rent being targeted.
The law that goes into effect on January 1 will result in fewer protections for tenants.
Tenants will still have the right to appeal an eviction, but they only have 5 days to do so. SB 38 requires the person filing an appeal to affirm they're doing so in good faith and not to delay the eviction process. It also changes who can serve eviction paperwork, as well as allowing for electronic delivery of notices. Critics say it deteriorates due process for tenants, but Betancourt says he feels they struck the right balance.
You have a balanced plan that lets people stay where they should, which is what they own or where they have a lease. And if they don't own it and don't have a lease, they have no right to occupy it.
Krieger says she's concerned it will worsen the state's homelessness crisis and increase the burden on services like shelters and food banks.
There are parts of the law we don't know how it's actually going to play out, which makes it really hard for tenants and landlords to a certain extent who are looking for certainty.
2025 was a record year for evictions in Travis County, and Krieger worries the new eviction process could exacerbate the issue in the new year. Daniel Peralt,